Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone 12 Lite. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch-hole mini capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 91.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 950 nits brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.8 GHz. Quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 75.4 by 7.59 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. The color options: Sunny Oasis, Black Rock. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 12 Lite has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 10,999 Turkish lira, and around $338 and 93,999 Pakistani rupees, and 27,999 Indian rupees, while 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 14,999 Turkish lira, and around $461, and 128,999 Pakistani rupees, and 38,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 12 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.